Hello, hello, Samra, and I'm working on my dreams and goals to balance as a mother what I do. Today we're gonna say rediscover yourself inside and out. What is that for? Now, if we look so far, regaining my vision, the dreams change every single day. You're gonna think like how the dream change, how our life grow, we develop ourselves. That's the way the dreams are like changing too. Let's remember those dreams when you are very young, you're a baby. Then now let's think about dreams you not get when you are teenager, then after you get married. What about the ones when you had a children? Can you remember any? If we are saying dream change according to your circumstances, our age, time, very important things are sometimes we stop dreaming. That's not a true life. We need to always dream. It is a wonderful way to remain connected to your dreams. If we are saying today, just like we're gonna like talk about like dreams, when like we are a children, what kind of dreams we have? Like everybody have a dreams. Sometimes we said like keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. When we are children, we have a dreams just like go outside in a field and play. We don't have like a lots of toys, but we have a dreams. We enjoy that life. I always highly recommended like if we are saying we have a dreams, enjoy your moments. Don't like make a dream so big it's not a specific. Make a small dreams. That's like me. Just like think about what you can do and what you can't do. Try to like make it, gain it. If we are saying like the first my own opinion when we are teenager, lots of time if we think the girls are not going to a school on like higher levels and stuff. My dream I gonna be get education. How I get it? Because of family is a sportive and I have a dream I want to go to a school and college, and they support me. I did that thing. If after your height grow, your parents think it's time to like get married. 21 I get married, then you have a children. I think then dreams stop. No, you have a dreams, but like how you gonna develop and fit in your dreams and your lifestyle, that's up. Think and recommend and see in my vision, I always say believe in yourself. When you are believing yourself, you have a faith in your own ability, what you can do. Without humble and reasonable confidence in your own powers, you cannot be successful or happy. Sometimes we see others and we start like blaming ourselves or blaming our life and things like that. That's not true. God gives you how much you deserve, what you want. But your belief, if like your belief is so strong, you make a planet, you will achieve it too. You must either modify your dreams or magnifying your skills. What kind of skills you have, what kind of ability you have, why we are comparing with others, what can I achieve, how I can achieve. That's a dream. Like how you gonna do that? And when you have a dream, you have to break it on the pieces and like start working. If we are saying it doesn't matter how slowly you go, as long and you go, do not stop. That's me. I can say like from village girl to go to a city studies, study to go to college to do a master degree, and in between time frame I teach in a private schools, and that's my life. I learn how to fit in my schedule and how I can enjoy my moment and how I can achieve my dreams. Then I get married. I have a two set of twins. I have five kids. How you gonna work outside in the factory? But I find a way. I can work from home, fit in my schedules. I can be a full time mom. That's my decision. I did it. I stay home, cook a three meals, love what I'm doing, and lots of people asking, you are a six-figure earner. I think this is also mindset and success. Whatever I'm doing, what I done, I think is a grateful. I'm so grateful for God who give me a ability to achieve these things. If we are saying, if you don't build your own dreams, you don't find your own path or way, someone will hire you to build their own dreams. Now you have to be decide, you gonna build your own dreams or somebody will hire you to build their own dreams and give you a 9 to 5. It is like a all about you when you discover and find these things. And the second thing I always highly recommend, if your dream don't scare you, they are too small. That's me. Sometime I can say. I always think roof and food, we bail and we work for that. It is wonderful job, but when I only can tell about myself, like when you are not planned your like a timeline, sometimes it's not scary, but we have to be plan our timeline for with the dreams. I have a this dream, I gonna be timeline for until this time. And if you don't get it, don't discourage yourself. You have to be like a reframe again, like you have to be plan it again and rediscover yourself how you're gonna do it. And the last or not least, I always think and say, I have got a dream that's work when you are sleeping. That never gonna work. You have to wake up and work and give a time frame for that. I always say, work hard, dream big. Who can do for you? Only you. You gonna be make that decision. You have to be believe yourself, you're gonna do it. I will guarantee you, if like a mother for five can do a tons of things, and I have always time when I close my laptop because I have a lifestyle with laptop, and I can plan my time when I can close this and I can take care of my family. When I close this, I can do take care for my business. But I don't have a like a big scale timeline I fit in because I give a first priority to my family and my time. I can say I don't have a six figure, I'm building that, but I can say proudly how much I did for my family and my kids, and I have a like time, I enjoy my moments. You always see me on here and there. That's a God given gift, but I have a belief. Doesn't matter, but I have a 24-hour in a day too, day and night. But how I gonna avail it, when I gonna do it, and how I gonna do it. That's very, very important. Never let your dream will die. Dream doesn't matter what lifestyle you are living. If you are looking anything specific or you wanna be like talk to me, just message me. I am just a message away. I'm helping mothers, fathers, kids who want to believe themselves they can do anything in the world. Nothing is like impossible. Everything is a possible, but you have to become out from your shell. And dreams always work. Work smart, not hard. That's my other thing. This is a lifestyle. Lots of people, we are running about like a six figure, this, that, but they couldn't sleep in the nighttime. Lots of people have a money, but they don't have a health. We need a balance. That's like God gave us. God gave this system free of cost. We never take care of our own house. We are looking outside houses. Learn about God given gift things He gave you. Try to achieve it, believe it. Sat Sri Akal, all the people who are watching me, good morning. And if you're gonna watch a replay, I will always ask you, leave me a comment. What is your dreams? How we gonna build it together? We are together building team. Thank you and bye bye. See you in the next video shortly. And I loved you. People watching all over a globe, sending a love. If you watch a replay, just like tell me and share your dreams. What is your dreams when you stop and stuck? Okay? And we will work and we will rediscover ourselves. That's like God sent us here. Why we are here. Find your why. We will work for that too. And I will my next like a step. I will share with you a smart. How we gonna come a smart definition. I will try my best. If you like it, share with your friends and family. Take care. Bye bye. See you.